Hey guys, it's December 27th and we're just doing a cleanup after about a 4 to 6 inch snowstorm we had. And as we're making our rounds, it's 12:30, we have all our commercials done and we have about 15 residentials done. Getting a good start on it. Northeast part of Portage. As you can see, it's starting to get a bit darker, so it's going to sit not too long. We'll probably be going well past the noise limit. We'll see you on the next one. Alright guys, it's December 29th in the afternoon. Second day after the storm hit. We did a couple per times today and now it's a break for some Boston pizza. We'll see you guys on the next video.